Chapter 1. Intro. Hello everyone, great to have you back for another video. Projectors have come a long way over the years, transforming from bulky office equipment into compact entertainment devices that can turn almost any wall into a giant screen. And with streaming now being the center of home entertainment, having built-in smart features is becoming more important than ever. Today, we're checking out the Aurzen Roku TV Smart Projector, a compact projector that combines portable design with Roku's streaming platform built right in, giving you quick access to your favorite apps, movies, and shows without needing any extra devices. At least that's the theory. In this video, we're going to put that theory to the test and compare it with reality. So, let's test the UK's first Roku TV Smart Projector. Chapter 2. Disclaimer. Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. Aurzen provided the EAZZE D1R Roku TV Smart Projector and the adjustable projector stand PJ001FS for the purpose of this review. As always, they have not influenced my opinions in any way. Everything you'll hear in this video is based entirely on my own hands-on experience after testing the products myself. Chapter 3. Unboxing. Let's take a look at what's included inside the boxes, starting with the first box. We have a quick start guide, an extended warranty leaflet, the projector itself, a power cable, the remote control, and a cleaning kit. Moving on to the second box. Inside we have the user manual, a telescopic pole with a ball head, along with the base pole, and a solid heavy metal base. That's everything included. So let's get everything assembled. Chapter 4. Setup. The stand is so simple and straightforward to assemble that I'll jump straight into the setup process. First, prepare the remote control by inserting the batteries. Connect the projector to power. And turn it on. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue the setup. Connect the projector to your Wi-Fi network. And once connected, wait for it to check for and install any available software updates. Create a Roku account if you don't already have one, and then sign in. You'll need to open your email to activate the account before continuing the setup on your computer or mobile device. Once everything is completed, the projector will automatically begin downloading and installing the selected applications, getting everything ready for use. Let's see what it can do. Chapter 5. Mobile app. The Roku mobile app is a great addition to the projector, making it even easier and more convenient to use. It is available for both iOS and Android. Simply download the app. Sign in using the same Roku account you created during the activation process. Once connected, your phone can be used as a remote control, allowing you to open your favorite streaming services, search for content, and even use voice search to navigate the Roku interface. Chapter 6. Smart Home. According to Aurzen, this projector supports smart voice assistants, so I'm going to connect it to Amazon Alexa and see how well the integration works. Open the Alexa app, search for the Roku skill, and enable it. Then follow the on-screen instructions to link the skill to your Roku account. Once your account is linked, Alexa will begin searching for your Roku device. This may take a few moments. After the projector is discovered, you can assign it to a specific Alexa device, add it to a room, and the setup is complete. Next up is Home Assistant. There is no official information saying that this projector supports Home Assistant, but since it also works with Apple Home, I was hoping Home Assistant would discover it automatically. Let's give it a try. And yes, Home Assistant did discover the Roku projector. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the pairing code anywhere, so I wasn't able to complete the setup. Chapter 7. Review. Now it is time for the full review and to see how the Aurzen Roku TV Smart Projector performs in everyday use. Let's begin with the build quality. The projector feels solid and well made, with a clean modern design should look good in almost any room. The finish is nice, the buttons have a satisfying tactile feel, and overall it gives the impression of a quality product. It is lightweight, easy to move from room to room, and small enough to take with you on holiday, making it a great option for both home and outdoor movie nights. Looking around the projector, you'll find a set of physical control buttons on the top, allowing you to navigate the menus and control the projector even when the remote isn't within reach. On the bottom, you'll find the power connector, along with a built-in adjustable kickstand that lets you quickly tilt the projector to achieve the perfect projection angle without needing any additional accessories. When it comes to connectivity, Aurzen has included everything most users are likely to need: a USB port for playing videos, photos, and music directly from a USB flash drive or an external storage, an HDMI port for connecting external devices such as a Blu-ray player, laptop, games console, or TV box, a 3.5mm audio output for connecting wired speakers or headphones, Bluetooth 5.2 support allowing you to pair wireless speakers or headphones for an even better audio experience. Moving on to picture quality, the projector features a native 1080p Full HD resolution, delivering a sharp and detailed image with a maximum screen size of up to 150 inches, making it ideal for creating a true cinema experience at home. Another feature I really like is the automatic focus and automatic keystone correction. These work quickly after moving the projector, saving you from having to adjust the image manually every time you change its position. For audio, the projector includes Dolby Audio along with dual 5-watt speakers. While they won't replace a dedicated home cinema system, they're more than capable for everyday viewing. One of this projector's strongest points is just how easy it is to use. You can control it using the buttons on the projector itself, the included remote control, the Roku mobile app, or even voice commands through supported smart home platforms. The built-in Roku operating system is fast, intuitive, and gives you instant access to thousands of streaming apps and channels without needing an external streaming stick. There is, however, one minor drawback. The user manual doesn't include any instructions on how to connect the projector to Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home, which could make the setup a little confusing for less technical users. Chapter 8. Conclusion. So, would I recommend the Aurzen Roku TV Smart Projector? Absolutely, yes. As the UK's first Roku TV Smart Projector, it delivers a great combination of portability, ease of use, smart features, and solid picture quality, all at an entry-level price that offers excellent value for money. If you're looking for an affordable smart projector for movie nights at home, in the garden, or even while traveling, this is definitely one worth considering. If you'd like to learn more or pick one up for yourself, you'll find a link in the description below. Chapter 9. Thank you. And that's it for this video. A huge thank you for watching. I really hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share this video with your friends, and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I always enjoy reading your feedback and will do my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Projector on. Lights down. And enjoy the show.